On this 4th of July, as families gather and celebrate the nation's independence, while fireworks light up the night sky in a dazzling display of color and light, a different kind of explosion, a legislative one, has just happened in Washington, far from the festive gatherings. The House has passed Trump's Big Beautiful Bill, a landmark piece of legislation that is now the law of the land, following intense debate and scrutiny. It represents a sweeping rewrite of America's tax code, a comprehensive overhaul that will touch nearly every aspect of the nation's financial landscape. This isn't a minor tweak or a simple adjustment. It's not just shuffling numbers around. It's a seismic shift, a fundamental change that will have profound implications for wealth accumulation, business operations, and investment strategies across the board. The ground is moving beneath our feet, the financial terrain is being reshaped, and for those who are prepared to adapt and strategize, it's moving toward unprecedented opportunity and substantial growth. The bill signals a new era, a turning point for entrepreneurs, forward-thinking business owners, and high-net-worth individuals alike, prioritizing lower tax burdens and incentivizing investment as fuel for robust private sector growth and economic expansion. It's not just about seeing a little extra back on your annual tax return. That's just the tip of the iceberg. It's about fundamentally changing your financial trajectory, setting you on a new course toward long-term wealth building and financial security. The game is changing rapidly. The rules are being rewritten in real time, and you need to learn the new rules of engagement now, before your competition does. The bill's passage is a clear signal, a definitive indication. The tax landscape has undergone a dramatic transformation, a metamorphosis that is reshaping the financial world as we know it. It's time to gather your team of advisors, your financial experts, and start meticulously planning for your financial future, building a solid foundation under this new legislative architecture. Act now. Time is of the essence. Prepare proactively to seize the unprecedented opportunities that lie ahead, positioning yourself for success in this new financial era. At the heart of this sweeping new law lies a fundamental shift in how businesses are taxed. It features a dramatic cut to the corporate tax rate, a significant reduction designed to stimulate economic growth. This is not just a tweak, it's a major overhaul. The goal is unleashing capital back into American businesses, freeing up resources for investment, expansion, and job creation. The choice between S-Corp, a popular structure for smaller businesses, LLC, or C-Corp, the traditional corporate structure, is no longer settled. The landscape has shifted, and old assumptions may no longer hold true. Therefore, your business structure needs a fresh review, a careful examination in light of these new tax realities. New rules for pass-through deductions, a key element affecting many small and medium-sized businesses, mean your current setup could be outdated, potentially costing you money and opportunities. Timing matters. The window to optimize your tax strategy is open now. Deferring income, pushing it into future tax years, or accelerating deductions, claiming them sooner rather than later, could be more powerful than ever, offering significant tax advantages if implemented strategically. For global businesses operating across borders, the overhaul of international tax rules presents both challenges and opportunities, and demands immediate attention to ensure compliance and maximize potential benefits. The world is getting smaller, more interconnected than ever, the tax code smarter, more complex, more data-driven, and more reliant on technology. Therefore, adapt your strategy now to stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on these changes. Proactive planning is essential in this new environment. Act now, while there's still time to make adjustments and take advantage of the new provisions. For investors, this law isn't just another piece of legislation. It's a game changer, a pivotal moment that has redefined investment strategies and financial planning as we know it. The focus is now on capital gains and investment income. Understanding the nuances here is crucial. Changes to rates and holding periods are now in effect. These shifts can significantly impact your investment returns and overall tax liability. This means your portfolio needs a fresh, critical look. It's time to assess your current holdings and strategies in light of these new rules. Strategic tax loss harvesting, a technique used to offset capital gains with investment losses, and rebalancing your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation are more important than ever to minimize tax burdens and maximize long-term growth. The smartest investors are watching Congress, paying close attention to every development and debate. They're monitoring Congress as closely as they monitor the markets, understanding that policy changes can have immediate and far-reaching effects. Estate and gift tax reforms are now in place, and these are reshaping how generational wealth transfer occurs, impacting families for years to come. Your estate plan and gifting strategies, carefully crafted over time, may now be outdated given the new law. Review them to ensure they still align with your goals and the current regulations. Maximize current opportunities while they still exist. Act swiftly before new limits further curtail your options. Meet with your estate planner and your tax strategist this month to proactively address these changes and develop a tailored plan. Your legacy is being written in real time. Take control of the narrative and ensure your financial future is secure. For business owners, the new law supercharges depreciation and expensing, turning investments into immediate tax advantages. Accelerate capital purchases to maximize these new benefits. Fully expensing assets this year can free up cash for growth and innovation. Stay ahead of competitors. Lead the charge in upgrading your business. Apply this strategy to every asset, big or small, to reduce taxable income. Shift your mindset. Every purchase is now a strategic tax tool. Integrate your capital expenditure plan with your tax strategy for optimal results. The government is incentivizing investment. Seize it to build a stronger business. The new tax law demands strategy, not just compliance. You need more than an accountant. You need a tax strategist to navigate these sweeping changes. Start with a comprehensive review of your tax position and model different scenarios under the new law. Proactive planning turns uncertainty into opportunity. The future belongs to those who prepare and adapt. A tax strategist is your shield and architect in this new landscape. Act now. The cost of inaction is too high. For expert guidance, visit www.thetaxfreestrategy.com.